The Naughty Unicorn, written by Sophie Thomson. Once there was a unicorn called Rose who was as naughty as can be. She made her friend Mary jump so much she fell out of her apple tree. One time she played in the park, jumping very high. Rose jumped and jumped, then jumped some more. Right up into the sky. Up in space she met a friendly astronaut. My oh my, she's up so high, the friendly astronaut thought. Hold my hand, said the man, I will help you get back home. Try not to worry, we will be there soon, space is no place for you to roam. Back down on Earth, her friends were playing as happy as can be. Rose arrived back on the ground and said, you won't believe what just happened to me. I went into space, it was dark and cold and really rather scary. Rose went for a little walk to think about her day and how mean she was to Mary. Rose walked by rivers, through forests and everything in between, so she could tell her best friend Mary, I'm so sorry for being so mean.